Alright, I haven't do this kind of unboxing for a long time. Didn't buy much because of the snow. I was using the small shovel. Let me get that shovel comparison. Alright, so this is my current shovel. It looks fine. I was using it fine for many years because I have a small driveway, right? That's it, very simple. But it's quite heavy, right? Feels like this box is lighter. Yeah, not bad. But the thing is, it's pretty tiring. I thought this is normal. I just have a 15 feet walkway, and then maybe a little bit in the back. Yeah, it's alright. I can do it like first 2 years, and after that, when you snow more than once a year, my back hurts, sore a lot. So I got this one on Amazon, recommended by one of my friends. I'll put a link below. See what it is. It's supposed to be better for your back. Pretty cheap to my standard. Okay, let's see. So the box comes in with this stuff. Nothing in there. So this is the back. It's supposed to have a handle with it. It comes with this thing. It's paper. Thought I broke something. Paper. And you gotta clamp down. Clamp down. Okay, I gotta get scissor. Scissor is here, scissor. Okay, so this is actually flexible. Dang, based on the picture on Amazon, I thought this is the same as this. It's like a tube, but it's not. It's not a tube. It's not a tube. It's actually bendable. What's this? Oh, take this out. Yeah, it's actually like this. Something like that. Okay. That's easier for storage than a tube that can't bang, just like that. Then it's gonna take up more space. I guess it should be easy to assemble though. Step one, this is the bottom part. Ooh, let's look closely to it for now. So this is the shovel, the head of the shovel. This part is actually metal, so it lasts longer for metal. If you don't know what I mean, lucky I bring the example here. Look at that. Alright, this is plastic, the same as the head, but without the metal part, this is wearing out. It's actually wearing out. I didn't realize it until like this year when there's heavy snow. It gets harder and harder to shovel because it's actually wearing off, right? The head is wearing off. But then, this is like really light, new design with metal strip in the front. Oh my god, I'm gonna love this. Not like I'm hoping for snow, but so installation is easy too. I don't need screwdriver, it seems like it. Just pop this in. And there's a knot. Yeah, just pop it in, that's it. And then goes in here. Okay. Turn the knob. Spin the knob. Get the screw out. Spin it back in. Well, that means I can easily take it out and then store it without the head. Nice. Just spin that. So I just spin this thing. It's easier to actually, yeah, you don't need any other tools to put this together or take it apart. That's good. Snow Joe. The name is Snow Joe. Put the link below if you want to order. I should have bought this when I saw it last year. So the price fluctuate, put it in comment. No point telling you the price right now because like I can see it go swing up and down a lot. So I bought it at a good price. See the comment section and description for more details. I bought it at a discount price. But I've seen, I use Honey, right? So it tracks the price range. It can drop lower. And most of the time it's on like regular price. So this is what it's gonna be. Hopefully the camera can catch me. So it's gonna shovel. I hope I have snow to use it as example. Shovel this. And then actually you don't have to really bend, you just pull this. So you pull it up from here. Because in a traditional shovel, you need to bend down and pull all the way up. That's when it hurts your back. Right? So now it's actually up here. It's pretty light. Whoa. Oh, I really want to try it. But it's heavier than this one of course, but it's like 2 times the size. Okay? So the speed should be way faster, and then now I can go more physical. See, the grass more. So, okay, that's good. That's it, pretty much. Alright, thanks for watching and check out my other video. Hopefully I get more money to buy more stuff, but yeah, no money lately, so okay, thank you for watching. Take some pictures.